And of course I got it. Oh, no bubbles. So disappointed. But it's good that it comes in cardboard package. Oh, bubbles! Ooh, I received the very popular remote control and the cheap one. Here it is, the module. Ooh, some cables and nothing more. And take a look at the panel. At the middle we have the screen. From the left side we have 3 buttons. It says volume up, play, pause, volume down, next or previous track. This one on the right side we have repeat, equalizer mode. We have infrared receiver right here, the logo for Bluetooth receiver, USB card reader, TF card reader, and microphone input. 3, 2, 1. Oh, flashing sign Bluetooth. When you press the mode, you go to FM receiver, and also we have left and right LED equalizer or Voltmeter. One more time, aux, that is audio input, and back to Bluetooth. Alright. Turning on aux. Great. First I'm gonna connect with my smartphone. And here it is, JQ-D136BT. I'm gonna connect it, pairing, yes, okay. And because of the copyright I need to use free YouTube audio library music. Why I don't hear nothing? Oh, you need to volume up. Okay. The volume up working, volume down working. On. Testing, test. It's working! Yeah! Oh no. Is this working or not? Yes, it's working fine, and you can sing on your favorite songs. My singing skills are very bad. Next track. Working fine and great. Beautiful, beautiful. And of course I got it. And don't forget, I upload new videos every day. No bubbles! Why? Okay. Include Type-C USB cable for working gadget. Did I tell you I ordered orange? Oh, take a look how cool it is. It's like a tiny computer. At back we have the Type-C connector for powering this gadget. Come on, why is not... Okay. I said that, brief time team, beautiful. And by the way, this is perfect gift for upcoming holidays or for the New Year or for the Christmas. And it's not expensive, it's around $10 US. You can get it and you can surprise someone. Let's power it in 3, 2, 1. Connecting Wi-Fi, Geek Magic Ultra. Voila, connected without internet. And yes, once you connected the Wi-Fi, you visit the website. This is the IP address that is given, and here you can set a lot of functions like to connect to your network, the weather, the time, the pictures, the photos that will scroll on this gadget, which is nice, and the settings. And take a look. Ah, come on guys, you must admit that this looks awesome. With that digital clock, the weather forecast, here is the humidity and the temperature, the date, and take a look at this spaceman. Let's go and see it. This is the weather forecast. Photo album, I like this one, and it's auto scrolling and also you can change the time to scroll. Beautiful photos and beautiful screen, I love it. Nice. Time style 1, this is the second, the third. Simple weather clock. Also you can adjust the brightness. Let's go back to this one. Okay, you can increase it to be more brightness. It have a night mode. Also you can set the night mode brightness at night with start time and end time. Right now is set on every 5 seconds to change from photo album to weather forecast to the main page, and that is great. This will be my favorite toy on my bench. Bubbles! Finally, bubbles. Oh, ooh. Okay, wireless audio adapter, transmitter and receiver. Gadget, it's new for me. Okay. Ooh. Nice. How to... Oh. From this side we have USB-A connector. On bottom we have aux cable connector. At front, as I said, we have the LCD screen, one play pause button with pickup, call, previous and next. On the side we have a switch for choosing transmitting or receiving, and on the side we can plug in the micro SD card. Everything that I told you, it have the USB, LED display screen, TF card slot, up and down songs key, aux jack, multifunctional button, pairing. Come on. Okay. And I'm gonna test this device to my very old GVC boombox. Or going to the next. Previous. Pause. But I'm using them because of the copyright strikes. Take a look how quickly. Next. Alright. The Bluetooth adapter with the MP3 player produce sound that is given by the 3.5mm output jack. With the cable we are going to the RCA audio input of this very old boombox. Ah, no. Why? FX35, 5 amperes, 35 watts. As I ordered it. Bubbles inside! Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, nice. Okay. It's pretty awesome looking electronic load, which can be for testing capacity, for dummy load to see how many amperes, watts. Also have a buzzer. The sound maybe is annoying that produce this solar turntable, but take a look at this module. You can see 360 degrees from every side, which is nice, and that's why I'm doing. And take a look what kind of features have this module. Support reverse connection protection, support over voltage protection, over current protection, over voltage protection, over temperature protection, and over power protection. This thing got everything. Support power down memory function, support alarm function. Beautiful. Discharging time, discharge capacity, temperature. Model FX35, that model. Work voltage 5 volts. I'm gonna tell you why. Load voltage from 1.5 volts to 25 volts and maximum 35 watts. Working voltage of this module is 200 milliamperes. Current and voltage accuracy 1%. As I told you, this thing works on 5 volts using micro USB. Oh, the fan spin and stop. And right now on the LCD display we see 001 volt. It's set on 1.8 amperes. You can adjust that with this multi-turn potentiometer. Take a look. What will happen if I hit on? What does it mean? LVP. Positive to positive, negative to negative. You can see that the voltage of the battery pack is 11.5 volts and the current is set on 1.1 ampere. And take a look what will happen when I hit on. It's discharging the battery pack with 1.1 ampere. And hitting select, you can monitor the watts and the ampere hours, the time, and back to the ampere set button. You go to the menu, and the first function is under voltage protection because it's set on 1.5 volts and it's detecting 0 volts. That's why it's beeping the signal. We have over voltage protection is set on 25.5 volts. Over current protection 5.1 ampere, that is the maximum of this module. We have over power protection, it says 30 watts. I set it to 30 watts, but the maximum is 35 watts. Okay, we have over temperature protection and it's set on 80 degrees, and if it's go above 80 degrees the module will shut down. Beautiful. I don't know what is this. Also over ampere protection off. And corrector, you can these things where it says correct voltage, you can correct and adjust the voltage that is shown on this LCD display, also for the amperes and for the capacity. Beautiful. I ordered it and for the first time I received the product in this color, purple color. Okay, no bubbles. Right, only one pin, 24-bit color, 64 RGB LEDs. Let's try some examples now. So I solder 3 wires on the module. We have positive, input and negative, and those wires I'm gonna hook up on the Arduino Uno board. Positive go to 5 volts, negative go to the ground or minus. Okay, and the input I will connect on pin number 6. And take a look, new code. It's a smiley face with the eyes blinking and the mouth is also moving. LED matrix is running fire or lava effect, which is good. And now I'm gonna try the new code, which is pixel art animations, a cat, an alien, and a smiley face, and there is a smooth fading transition between all animations. After you upload the code, open the serial monitor and you can see here the IP address that this module is connected. Right now, this module is connected on this address. I'm gonna hit add, and right now I can control the LED matrix. Let's lower the brightness so you can see better. Nice. Let's go with color wipe reverse. Color wipe random. That is a nice one. Beautiful. Single dynamic. Oh, I love this pattern. Blinking all the colors. Multi-dynamic. Rainbow. Whoa. A lot of effects. Rainbow cycle. Also this one is beautiful. Take a look. Nice, nice. Dual scan. Fade. Running lights. There are so many effects. Twinkle. Oh, this one is good. Twinkle random. Oh, take a look. And of course you can adjust the speed, getting slower. And this thing for the holidays, for the new year, it will be awesome.